ariko gamba hamukorogu ori permanent secretary wa ministry by'amagara Dr. Diana Atwine azengo bwahati amagara g'abanyayuganda nige yongera kuturaho obwire buringwa abo kushanga ngo government ine chango eceriyo nekora okubasa kutungura emitindo gw'ebyamagara.
We want to support the science of medicine at clinical level so that every decision is made based on proof from the lab. We want it to be well supported, and I believe Susan has played. She's going also to make sure that she supports you so that you get accredited.
Dr. Atwine ashabire bakuru amarwariro okureba ngo baguma kufayo okukora za report bari kugamba ebintu ebibatine kwenda kwiyaho okucerereza kusi abantu obuhereza agarukire yagira ngo hariho nekiri kwetengesa amarwariro amahango hagari aharurengo orwa rifaro ogumani gashagika amarwariro agandi agaciri aharurengo rwa hansi ngo muningo gumwe ogo kureba ngo abanyayuganda bona batunga obujanjabi.
Malaria, we don't want them here, even for these simple cases. Children with pneumonia, unless they require, a higher, like maybe they're not responding to treatment, and you want to do culture, you want the pediatrician to review and maybe understand what kind of pneumonia or something. But all those simple cases, really we want them to stay in the lower units and be
Ugagarukire yagira ngo ministry heriyo nekoraho butaruha ukureba ngo yabasakora ahanshonga y'abakuru ho byamagara abari kugenda bari kushisha izina heriyo murimo ogu.
Some people actually are spoiling our profession. Others are working so hard while others that's the problem. So we want to weed out all those elements that are making our profession to be seen in bad light. We want to remove all those bad apples. Every apple that is rotten, every tomato that is rotten, we weed.
Well, Minister Wihanga wa Primary Health Care Honorable Margaret Muhanga Mugisa nawe hagarukire yagamba ahanshonga eyo kugira ngo ministry eyebembeze nshonga eyo kukora ahabyombeko ebikuzire ari kugira ngo ebyinji obwahati nebyo myaka eya 2030.
Actually condemned. They give a bad picture to this hospital. I've been to other hospitals where we've put up beautiful buildings so we could pick a leaf from there. The next time we get some support and resources available, we should actually change the image of this hospital and remove those old buildings of 1934.
Yonjire yahiga abantu okureba ngo bakozesa omwanya ogu okusinga gumani baza Kampala okurondayo obuhereza.
Now, in this lab, I walked through and I was told everything this lab is supposed to do. And I'm sure there are many people here who are sick. I have my brother who has, I think, liver cirrhosis, something like that. We've been going to Kampala for all the tests. Now the tests are right here. Sincerely, let's tell everybody not to go to Kampala anymore. Waste a lot of resources in transport.
Dr. Bahizi Newton, or Senior Executive Consultant of Fort Portal Regional Referral Hospital, agirango bariyoni bareba okubine kutaho emiringo eyo kumariraho kimwe emize eyabashaho abatari kwenda kukora. Obwahati omwanya ogu nigurebwa nk'ekintu kikwija kuyambaho na munonga ahakucendeza abantu abatuleni batambula engendo ndingwa okuza Kampala okurondayo obuhereza. Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Tayari West.